Hello and a very warm welcome. Thanks for joining me here at Kalkine TV. This is the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day. And today we'll be looking at some hot stocks in the news on the back of some key announcements. First up, Link Administration has today announced that they've received a letter from Dye & Durham regarding discussions with financiers for a pending transaction. Dye & Durham has come to the view that it's likely to accept the Financial Conduct Authority of the UK's conditions. The letter states that it has developed a revised proposal structured as an upfront cash payment of $3.81 per Link share payable to Link shareholders on the implementation of the scheme. The company also said it is unable to recommend a new proposal and is now evaluating alternatives, including an in-specie distribution of a minimum of 80% of Link Group's shareholding in PEXA. And today the company shares traded at $3.36, down around 3.17%. Next up, the Australian structural heart company Anteris Technologies has presented preliminary results demonstrating the first ever restoration of normal pre-disease blood flow after aortic valve replacement at the Transcatheter Cardiovascular Therapeutics Conference. The medical conference, held in Boston, Massachusetts, is the world's largest interventional cardiology conference, attracting more than 10,000 attendees worldwide. Anteris has said that the data is compelling for patients with aortic stenosis. And today the company's shares traded at $26.52, up by 4%. Next up, Imugene, a clinical stage immuno-oncology company, today announced that it's been granted the IR license required to expand its Vaccinina Phase 1 clinical trial within Australia. The trial commenced in May this year at the business's US sites, delivering a low dose of Vaccinia to patients with metastatic or advanced solid tumors who have at least had 2 prior lines of the standard care of treatment. The study is anticipated to run for approximately 24 months and is funded by existing budgets and resources. Today, Imugene shares traded at 23 cents, up 3.18%. Now we'll just cut to a little break before looking at the rest of today's stocks. Hello and welcome back. Australia's leading holistic marketing company, IVE Group, has requested a trading halt. This is due to a pending announcement in connection with a capital raising comprising an institutional placement and a share purchase plan. IVE has requested that the trading halt remains in place until the commencement of trading on Wednesday, September 21st. Also in the news, Australian mineral mining company Jindalee Resources has provided an update on drilling at its 100% owned McDermott lithium project in Oregon, USA. The miner reported excellent shallow intercepts for the first 2 holes, and then on its reverse circulation on the site, drilling is underway and about 18 holes are to be drilled. Then more assay results from the completed drilling are expected to be received in early October. And today at Jindalee Resources, shares traded at $2.59, down around 1.89%. Then clean lithium producer Lake Resources today updated the demonstration plant activity. The company said that it's completed the construction of the facility to accommodate the Lilac Solutions demonstration plant at the Argentinian Cachi project. The dry commissioning of the plant has commenced, and Lilac Solutions expects to begin wet commissioning on September 22nd, followed by on-site processing of Cachi in the first week of October. And then today, responding to the news, Lake Resources shares traded at $1.06, up by 13.98%. All right, that is it for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day. Another episode coming your way tomorrow, but until then, make sure to keep it locked on Kalkine TV. Holly Shields here, signing off.